Hi, I'm Keegan, a student veteran here at Arizona State University. I'm here to guide you through the benefits and application process for ASU's active duty tuition assistance users. If you have any questions after watching this video, please don't hesitate to get in touch with the Pat Tillman Veteran Center. If you are planning on using military tuition assistance to fund your degree, make sure that you are eligible for TA through your Education Services Officer, who can be found at the Education Center on your base. If you are eligible for TA, simply apply to ASU for your desired degree program and then send your tuition voucher provided by your Education Services Officer to sponsorbilling@asu.edu. If you need assistance with your tuition voucher, contact ASU Student Business Services. TA covers $250 per credit hour. ASU offers the Military Active Duty and Reservist Commitment Scholarship to help you cover any additional tuition costs. With this scholarship, ASU will pay you the difference so you do not have to pay any out-of-pocket tuition expenses. The only things that you need to do to qualify are use TA and enroll in an online program. The steps for TA are actually quite simple. Figure out your eligibility for TA, get the tuition voucher from your education center, and then apply to ASU. Thank you for considering ASU and the Sun Devil Vets. If you have any further questions, please contact Pat Tillman Veteran Center.